Good morning, everybody. This is our maths today. For today's session, you will need your home learning pack, and in it you will find a sheet that looks a little bit like this. You will also need the next clean page in your maths book, and what you're going to do is write Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021 in your neatest handwriting at the top, and then you're going to write learning objective to subtract 2-digit numbers with exchanging, and that is your title. You can copy it from the sheet in your learning pack. Okay, pause the video until you've done that. Thank you, superstars. Right, who's going to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Fantastic. Right, star words. My turn, your turn. My turn, tens. Your turn. My turn, ones. Your turn. My turn, part. Whole. Part, whole. My turn. Subtraction. Your turn. Take away. Your turn. Difference. Your turn. And again, I've forgotten it again. Very important one. Exchange. Okay, I need you to have your maths objects. That is your tens and your ones. So you need 10 bigger objects for your tens and 10 smaller objects for your ones. Something like this. So I've used Lego. In the past I have used pasta and dried beans. I don't know what you have in your house, but I'm sure you'll have something. And if you can't think of anything, get a piece of paper and cut it up into 10 long strips and 10 smaller pieces. Pause the video until you've got your maths objects, and when you're ready, press play again. Okay, we're going to make a number. The number is going to be 16. Pause the video and make the number 16 really quick. Well done. So I've made the number 16 with 1 10 and 6 ones. Let's make another number. 38. Pause the video and make the number 38. Superstar. I'm going to make the number 38 with 3 tens and 8 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just check that mine and yours are the same. Change yours if you need to. Last number we're going to do. Who's going to be the quickest to make it? The number 62. See if you can beat me. I know it has 6 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6. A bit squishy. And 2 ones. 1 2. Did you get it right? Did you beat me? Okay, so remember, when we're doing subtraction, we sometimes need to exchange. Exchanging means taking a 10 and putting it into the ones column, and then swapping it for 10 ones, because 1 10 has the same value as 10 ones. Let's practice this again. So my subtraction is 32 take away 17. In subtraction, I only make the first number. So I've made the number 32. It has 3 tens and 2 ones. And I'm going to take away the number 17. So I need to take away 1 10 and 7 ones. Where do I start? Tens column or ones column? That's it, the ones column. Can I take away 7 ones from the ones column? No. So I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Magic click. Wonderful. Now I have enough. Now I can take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 10. Oh, 1 10. That means that I'm left with 1 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 ones, which is equal to 15. Superstar. Let's try that again. My subtraction is 26 take away 18. So I've made 26, 2 tens and 6 ones. And I'm going to take away 18. I'm going to start in the ones column and take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I do not have 8 ones. So what I'm going to do is exchange it then. So I'm going to take a 10 out of the tens column, put it in the ones column, and exchange it for 10 ones. Now I can take away 8 ones. Oh, silly me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 10. I'm left with no tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. The number is 8. So 26 take away 18 is equal to 8. Now I'm just going to show you how we do that when we are laying out the sums in our books, because that's what we are going to do today. We are going to copy these sums into our books and we are going to solve them with equipment if we need to, or with a number line. You might be able to do it in your head, but I don't want you to do it in your head if that's too confusing. I'd rather you do it with equipment. So you choose the level of challenge that you think is appropriate. Okay, so my subtraction is 44 take away 28. So I make the first number 44. And I take away 28. Can I take away 28? Well, yes, because 44 is a bigger number than 28. But when I'm in my ones column, I don't have enough ones, do I? So I'm going to exchange. I'm going to take a 10 and put it in my ones column. Now I need to remember to record this on my sum in my book. So because I've taken a number out of the tens column, I cross out this number. That's because I've no longer got 4 tens, have I? How many tens have I got? 1, 2, 3. So I need to change it to a 3. And I'm going to put the 10 that I took away here. So I have 4 tens together, all together, but I've got 3 in the tens column and 1 in the ones column. That means that now I have 14 ones, and you can check that by counting if you want. And I'm going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, How many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many tens do I have left? Oh, I have not taken away from the tens. So it says take away 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left in my tens column? Only 1. The answer is 16. Let's try it again. 33 take away 17. So I'm going to make the number 33. It has 3 tens. And it has 3 ones. The number I'm taking away is 17. So I started my ones column. It says 3 take away 7. I don't have enough, do I? I don't have 7. So I'm going to exchange. I take a 10 from my tens column. So I exchange that 10 for 10 ones because they are worth the same. And now I can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have actually taken away 7 cubes, haven't I? I have subtracted 7 cubes. Now don't forget, cross that out. I only have 2 tens there now because I put 1 there. 2 and 1 makes 3. After taking away 7, how many do I have left? Only 6. And then I'm going to take away 1 10. And now I only have 1. 33 take away 17 is equal to 16. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to do this in our books. So like I've said, you need to write the date at the top of your page, and you need to write learning objective to subtract 2-digit numbers with exchanging as your title. Now remember, subtract means to take away. 2-digit numbers means that we have tens and ones, not just ones. And exchanging means that we are swapping the tens for ones as we've been doing. Okay? Remember, nobody is to write on this sheet. That's not what I want. You copy the calculations of your sheet into your book. Your calculations might be different from mine. I want you to copy yours, not mine. Okay, so I'll show you how I'm going to copy it into my book. I do tens and ones column because it's going to help me. But do them next to each other because that would be neat. I'm going to copy this one. So 32 take away 16, and then with a ruler so that your work is very neat. Oh no, Miss Hemingway. With a ruler, draw your line. Okay? So 32 take away 16. When I'm using my maths objects to help me, I need 3 tens, don't I? And I need 2 ones. And I'm going to take away the number 16. So remember, I always start in my ones column, but I don't have 6 ones. So what do I need to do? I need to exchange. Take a 10 from there. Now I only have 2 there. And I'm going to put it there. You might have to squeeze it in. So I've got 12 ones there now. Swap the 1 10 for 10 ones. Now I have enough. I can take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 6. And some of you might have known that 12 take away 6 is equal to 6. So that I put that there as my answer. Now I'm not going to forget to do the tens column. I've got 2 tens left. Take away 1 10. And I know that, don't I? I know 2 take away 1 is equal to 1. Too easy. Just like that. Then my next sum I can lay out here, can't I? Because you should be able to fit 3 in a row, I think. That would be easy for you. I would do it here. Tens and ones. I have 3 tens and 4 ones. That's 34. I have 2 tens and 6 ones. That's 26. And I get a ruler to draw my line. I don't want any messy lines, guys. Take pride in your work. Now, one thing that Miss Hemway has forgotten is the subtraction sign, and that's actually really important, guys. So, not good, Miss Hemingway. Again, you make the first number with your maths objects. I'm not going to do this one. I want you to pause the video and do this one all by yourself first. Okay, have you done that? Let's check if you got it right. I've made my first number. My first number is 34. 3 tens and 4 ones. And I'm going to subtract the number 26. I'm going to start in my ones column. So I've got 4 ones and I'm going to subtract or take away 6. Can I do that? No. So what do I need to do? I need to exchange. That's right. So I take 1 10 and I exchange it for 10 ones. And I'll record that how I'm supposed to. So I cross out the 3 tens. I don't have 3 tens anymore. I have 2 tens there. And the third 10 is in the ones column. So I have 14 ones. Is that correct? I can check. Yes, it is. I can take away 6 ones from 14. Now, some of you might know how to take away 6 ones from 14 already. 14 take away 6 is equal to 8. That's right. And then 2, in my tens column it says 2 take away 2. 2 take away 2 I know, don't I? 2 take away 2 is 0. So the answer to 34 take away 26 is 8. Did you get that right? Fantastic. I want you to do the rest of them on your own. And then I thought I'd just talk you through this challenge because the challenge is a little bit tricky. So once you've done all your maths questions and you are ready for the challenge, come back to me. Okay, so pause the video here, go and do all of your maths work, and when you're ready for the challenge, press play again. Okay guys, well done. Was that tricky? If it was a little bit too tricky, what would be a good idea is to go back and watch a bit more of the video so you can have another go. This is our challenge question. Our challenge question says a subtraction and it has a missing number here. So mine says 43 take away 110 and something ones equals 28. So I'm going to have to explore that, aren't I? Because I can't figure it out straight away or by myself. Now, again, you will need to write these out in your maths book, but I want you to set them out properly like this. You will write the title challenge. And then we'll write out the calculation. So this says 43 take away 110. I'm not sure how many ones yet. Is equal to 28. And I can actually do this one backwards, guys. So if we're thinking of our subtraction as a part-whole model, the whole is 43. That's the whole. And usually when I'm doing a takeaway, I know this part and I'm trying to find this part. But on this one I don't. I actually know this part. And I know some of that part, but not all of it, okay? So, the first number I'm going to make still is the first number, is 43. So I need 4 10s. And I need 3 1s. 3 1s. Okay. Now, because I don't know what to take away here, instead I can take away this part to find this part. Aha! So it's saying to me 8. Now, I don't have 8, do I? So I'm going to exchange like I always do. And now I can take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with 5. And it actually gives me the rest of the answer. If I take away 2 10s, as in 28, remember I'm doing it backwards, I'm left with 1 10, and that's correct because I already had that. So the missing number is 15. And I can then fill that in there. Now, another thing I forgot to say is it would be a good idea to glue this in your exercise book and do the working out next to it like that. Okay, well done for being amazing superstars, coming back to do that challenge. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.